Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the It's Potato channel. Today I have an announcement, and the announcement is I'm going to be starting school in a few days, and this is probably going to be my last project for a while. And also in celebration for the end of my summer break, I'm doing a really cool tutorial. Technically, I feel like I should be celebrating the beginning of summer break, but hey, it's my video, my rules. Anyways, as you can already tell by the title, I am going to be teaching you how to make your own AI Pong game. Technically, it's only the AI part since I already have a Pong game figured out. But I'll be able to show you how to make your own, the AI part of this. Anyways, I'm just going to play the game so you can know what to expect. So the moving paddle is my paddle, and the one on the right is the AI paddle. And I know, even though I won, I still got the game over text, but hey, I'm lazy. I didn't really want to. I'm focusing on the part that really matters, the AI part. Anyways, now first let's go to the AI paddle controls, at least the code tabs, and let's get a glide to and a forever loop, and put that in the green flag. Now let's go to sensing, and let's get this from the sensing. Now change stage to ball, and instead of X position, do Y position, and put that right over there. And change 1 to 0.355. Yeah, there we go. And let's check it out. See, now it's moving pretty well. Yeah, there we go. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Oh yeah, one more thing I need to show you. Since I'm not really showing you my code, well, I guess I can show you my code. Let's get a little run by the code. My player paddle, my ball code, my border, and my game over text. You've already seen the ball part. Yeah, you have. Anyways, last thing I need to show you is the tutorials. You can always make your own Pong game from this Pong game tutorial. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial because this will be the last one for a while. Have a great day, everybody.